Hey guys, if you are starting trading from zero, these platforms will help build your foundation and confidence without overwhelming you. Top trading course platforms: Benzinga trading courses, beginner-friendly courses that teach chart reading, strategies, and fundamentals. Udemy, complete stock trading courses, affordable, structured courses covering fundamentals and technicals. Baby Pipes, School of Pipsology or Pipsology, free, reputable forex education with structured lessons. Investopedia Academy, trading for beginners, trusted educational platform with practical lessons. Trade Pro Riot, excuse me, Trade Pro Elite, free and paid options with live trading examples and community access. So it's best for absolute beginners who want step-by-step guidance, demos, and lessons without the hype. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.